Hello parents, and welcome back for another week of our helpful videos. My name is Katie McCauley and I am one of Upper Darby's instructional coaches. Today we are going to be talking about reading fluency. Reading fluency is your child's ability to read text with speed, accuracy, and expression. We want our children to be fluent readers to help boost their comprehension when they are reading text. So how can you help out at home? First, before your child gets started, help them to choose a book that is just right for them. You can do this by using the 5-finger rule that we've used previously in other videos. Also help them to pick a place at home that is stress-free. Choose a place that is comfortable, where you can minimize distractions, so that your child is able to focus on the text in front of them. Once they are set up and ready to go, you can further help your child by modeling what reading fluently sounds like. Pause between phrases and sentences so that your child can hear where those natural stops are. You can practice choral reading as well, where your child reads aloud with you at the same pace. Have your child track the words as you and they are reading aloud. These are just some things that you can do to help your child to become a more fluent reader. The more time that our children spend looking at text in front of books and diving into stories, the more fluent and better reader they will become. So take a moment, sit down, and read a book together.